Hello, Phonics fans, and welcome to the next episode of Phonics with Fiona. That's me! Today, we will be reviewing the vowels and the consonants that we've already learned. Then we will learn some new letters, the vowel O and the consonants G and L. The vowels that we have learned so far are A, E, I, and U. The others are O and Y. Don't forget that consonants are the rest of the letters of the alphabet. The consonants that we've learned so far are S, T, P, N, C, K, H, R, M, and D. These letters can go at the beginning, middle, or end of words. It's now time to learn some new letters. We are going to talk about the vowel O and the consonants G and L. Let's start with the vowel O. This is an uppercase O and this is a lowercase o. They look exactly the same, just one is bigger and one is smaller. And just like the other vowels that we've learned so far, the letter O can make two different sounds. It makes a short sound, which says aw, like in the word on. The letter O also says its own name, which is the long version. So O can say O, like in the word boat. Today we'll focus on the short O, ah. You can hear the ah sound in words like off, octopus, otter. Great, we've learned a new vowel, the letter O. Now let's talk about the consonant G. This is an uppercase G and this is a lowercase g. The letter G says G. Some words that have the G sound in them are go, goose, girl. Yay, we've learned a new letter, the letter G. Now let's talk about the letter L. This is an uppercase L and this is a lowercase l. The letter L says L. Here are some words that have the letter L in them. Wolf, lion, lips. Yay, we've learned another letter, the letter L. Now for some review. The short vowel O says ah, like in off, octopus, otter. The consonant G says G, like in go, goose, girl. And finally, the consonant L says L, like in wolf, lion, lips. Great job! You finished another phonics lesson. Thanks again for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Phonics with Fiona. Let's learn together.